What if I told you that the biggest obstacle to your team's success is the calendar? Hi, I'm Chebat, founder of ZIZO Technologies. Today, I'm revealing why waiting weeks or even months for performance feedback is holding your team back, and how real-time insights can catapult your organization to new heights. Annual reviews, monthly reports. By the time your team gets that feedback, the game's already changed. Delayed feedback is like trying to steer a ship days after it's veered off course. It's ineffective and frustrating. Now, imagine if your team knew exactly how they were performing right now. Not last quarter, not last week, but this very second. Real-time feedback empowers your team to pivot, adjust, and excel on the fly. No more guesswork, just actionable insights when they matter most. Transparency isn't just a buzzword. It's a catalyst for growth. When everyone knows where they stand and how they stack up, it ignites a culture of accountability and sparks healthy competition. Here's the science bit. Immediate recognition releases dopamine, the feel-good neurotransmitter that boosts motivation and reinforces positive behavior. Real-time feedback doesn't just inform, it inspires. It turns everyday tasks into opportunities for celebration. So how do we bring this game-changing approach to your organization? Meet ZIZO. We connect directly with your existing systems to pull real-time data on key performance indicators, delivering instant feedback that's clear, concise, and compelling. Information is power, but only if you can act on it in time. ZIZO turns data into action and action into results. Your team won't just meet expectations, they'll shatter them. Now it's time to leave outdated feedback loops behind and step into the future of workforce management. Unlock your team's full potential with real-time feedback and data transparency. I'm Chebat, and I invite you to experience the transformative power of ZIZO. Ready to revolutionize your team's performance? Visit playzizo.com and schedule your demo today. Let's turn every day into a victory.